Is your Nintendo Switch cluttered with old user profiles, and you're ready for a clean slate? Let's dive right into how to delete a user on your Nintendo Switch in just a few simple steps. First, navigate to the System Settings icon on the home screen. It looks like a gear. Select it by pressing on your Joy-Con. In the System Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Users option. It's represented by an icon of a silhouette of a person. Select Users. Now, you'll see a list of all the user profiles on your Nintendo Switch. Choose the profile you want to delete by selecting it. Be absolutely sure this is the profile you intend to remove. On the selected user's profile page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You'll find an option labeled Delete User. Select it. A confirmation screen will appear, warning you that deleting the user will also delete all saved data associated with that profile. This is a critical step. Make absolutely sure you have backed up any important saved data to the cloud using Nintendo Switch Online. If possible, if you're ready to proceed, select Delete. The Nintendo Switch will now begin deleting the user profile. This may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once the process is complete, you'll be taken back to the user selection screen, and the deleted user profile will no longer be listed. Congratulations! You've successfully deleted a user on your Nintendo Switch, streamlining your console. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nintendo Switch tips and tricks.